y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan with Her Courage to Plan. So today's video, I wanted to go ahead and show you all the budget kit for November. I am still using the 2018-2019 classic size Happy Planner, and I purchased this back in March, I think March or either April. And so I just have not gotten a new planner, and I do know that this planner is going to end December, so I'm still trying to figure out what I plan on doing as far as my actual planner itself. So this is the November budget kit, and I'm getting my colors. I'm playing off of these colors here, and of course it's the same pattern throughout. This gets a little bit darker on the weekly, but that's where I'm getting my color scheme from. But for November, of course, this is the 7 by 9.25. I've already cut it down to size, but you will get your 8.5 by 11 US letter size as well in your November kit. So what comes in the November kit, you'll get your budget worksheet, you'll get your paycheck budget, has the savings, cash envelopes, extra debt section. You'll get your sinking funds tracker, your savings funds tracker, your debt payoff tracker. Also in the kit, now my kits come with stickers, as you know. You will get bill due stickers. Now I have updated the colors for the November kit. So this is more of a light, like a wheat tone, and then you still have your lighter brown, but this here is a different tone color as well, and it does match the color scheme that's in the November kit. It matches with the savings, and then of course the tones are a little lighter, and that blue is being picked up as well with the flowers in the November kit. And then the green, I changed that up as well. So this is a beautiful kit. And then the payday stickers, you get 156 payday stickers, guys. So this is an awesome deal. And again, the color scheme is the same as your bill due stickers. And then of course you will get your monthly scripts and a few of your affirmations down here. And this is so beautiful on clear sticker paper. I just didn't print it on clear sticker paper, but if you use the if you like using the monthly scripts, then that is going to be part of your kit as well. So these are some of the stickers I went ahead and laid down so you can kind of get an idea of what it look and how everything mesh. So I haven't finished it, but I just wanted you guys to see it, and I think it is beautiful. I think the color scheme is beautiful. All right, and so I'll go ahead and take these out just in case you want to see it side by side. That color scheme is beautiful. So yeah, this is the November kit. And if you are interested, head on over to my Etsy shop. I have the link down below in my description box. And I also will have the paycheck budget with the notes as a add-on, as I usually do. Now I use this one with the notes on it because right now I'm not using the cash envelopes, but I just use this as an add-on. So you are more than welcome to add this on if this is something that you do like, versus the one that actually comes with the kit. I think both of them are great, but like I said, I use this one because at the moment I'm not using cash envelopes. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions. But yeah, I just wanted you guys to see the November kit. I'm so excited. I thank you all so much for supporting our journey. You're watching our videos, you're liking our videos, you're subscribed to our channel. You are even purchasing from my Etsy shop, and I truly thank God for you. I do not count it lightly. So it is a blessing. Without you all, I wouldn't be able to do this. I couldn't come on here and record this, because if you are a content creator, you know that the time and energy it takes. I work full time, but to me it's not burdensome. I enjoy it. I love it. I love budgeting, especially now that I have created a budget system, a method that makes sense. So again, I thank God for you guys, and I will see you later. Bye.